I don't know why it feels so good. Ginger. I definitely taste the sweetness from the pineapple and the apples. And I also taste the celery, which I believe it gave it most of its color. But it's so good. It's not too tart and it's not too sweet. It's just right. And I also added a little bit of water. If you want to, you could add just as much water as you do the juice so that you have more and that it lasts you longer. It doesn't take away of the potency of the juice. All of your minerals are still packed inside the one pitcher. And it's such a beautiful color. Last week it was a little darker because I used more spinach. But you could juice whatever you like to juice, whatever your favorites are. And feel free to juice only vegetables as well. Don't only do juices because of, fruits because of how they taste. You need the vegetables as well. They all have many, many nutrients. You want to add in all the nutrients you can. And be well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy. Happy healing to you. Don't forget to eat to live. Eat to live. Eat and drink to live. Take care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. Peace.